Phishing has become one of the most successful attack vectors used by cybercriminals today. So how do you spot a phishing scam? Well, it all comes down to training. Let me give you some quick tips. Look for the use of generic greetings and spelling errors. Look for messages with threatening language or one that requires immediate action. Hackers want you to click or respond to what they're sending you. And of course, be cautious with email file attachments. Things may not always be what they seem. And lastly, approach embedded links with caution. For more cybersecurity help, contact us at bravocg.com.